there, guys, and welcome to day 21. Finally caught up, and today we're gonna continue the NeetCode tree, and we're on a container with most water. Um, I've seen this one on LeetCode, and I avoided it a couple times, but we're just gonna try and push through it, however long it takes us. If we have to use a solution, we'll use that, but we'll see. Well, basically, the just solution is we are given a bunch of heights and a bunch of bars, okay? And we have to find out the max amount of water that a container can store. So, like, you take 2 bars and you multiply it. So, like, for example, if you take this bar at 5 and this bar at 4, then the max is just 4 times 1, which is 4. But, you know, if you take this bar and this bar, it can't be 7, so you just do 6 times 6, which is 36, which is the max. So we gotta try and find a way to we're gonna try and find a way to find the maximum. So I think this is in, what section is this in? We'll just look. It's in the 2-pointer section, right? And mostly with all the other 2-pointers, we've had like a left and a right variable. So just, yeah, we'll just keep that there. We'll try and then -1, I guess. And we have to try and figure out, so whatever so we want to have, so I guess what we want to do, do we want to, I feel like we have to just try it. Like if we do, so we'll do, for example, we'll go, okay, we'll just say results, or no, do we want a single result or multiple results? Because my logic is, right, is I want to, you know, start at the left and start at the right, and I'll multiply it, right? And I'll say this result, and then I'll try the next one, and then I'll just take the bigger and bigger one. Like I'll take this one, it'll be 36, and then I'll try this one, and it'll be like, what, like 10, and then it'll be like, okay, well we'll keep 36 as the answer. So we'll say res equals 0, right? And then we'll say while L is less than R. Okay. While L is less than R, we're gonna have to do something. So we're gonna have to do we'll say temp is gonna be the minimum of these two, of either heights at L, heights at R, times the difference. So the difference is gonna be whichever one's bigger, R minus L. So that's gonna be, well, it's called temp, even though that's like a pretty bad variable name for it, but that's gonna be the thing. And then we're gonna say if temp is bigger than res, res equals 10. Okay. And then, so now we have for 1, but now we have to find out how we're going to increase L and R. Because this, right now, we're not changing L and R. But we need to find out, like, what do we want it? What do we want to do for it to change L and R? Like, for example, in this one, we don't want to change R at all. But in this one, but maybe like, you know, in the, if it was the opposite, we would not want to change. I guess we'll just do if heights L plus 1 is bigger than heights at L, L plus equals 1. If heights at R minus 1 is bigger than heights at R minus equals 1. I feel like this could, and then at the end we'll just, I feel like this doesn't work because there's gonna be like some situations where like you can have an extra one here, or like a situation where there'll be like such a big one here but then a small one here, that this will be bigger than that. So I don't think this is gonna work. So I think we need to find a different solution. Like, for example, right, if I had like, this is 6, but if I had like 9 here, and if I had like a 9 on this one, and then a 9 on this one, then 9 times, well, 1, 2, 3, 4, then 9 times 4. Okay, it wouldn't be like in 36. Like, if it was like 10, right? Let's say it was 10 and 10, right? Then the 10 times 4 would be bigger than the 6 times 6. But it's like I'm not going for that possibility here. So I think I need something else. But I need to be able to change L and R. But I don't know what I'm looking for. Like, normally it's we should just try. We'll do this. You know how we take the minimum? Like, let's just see if this works for both test cases first. 'Cause I think it'll work for this one, but it won't work for the next one. Or if I get an error, like, I'd like to know the error. Time limit. Whew, cool. Well, L is less than R. Because eventually, the garbage truck being loud as hell, but eventually we need to go through every single L and R. But it's like, I don't want to just try every possibility. So it's like, do I just alternate? Or do I just try every L and then I try every R? Oh, did not mean to hit my mic. Or what's the plan here? I think I was thinking 2 seconds ago. What was I thinking 2 seconds ago? I was thinking, yeah, whichever one we don't use out of these two, right, whichever one's the minimum, we put that one next. And then we keep going. So we'll do if heights at L is less than heights at R, heights are height, yeah. Heights L bigger than heights R. R minus equals, I guess, like whichever one's the minimum. Well, like the way I want to think about it, right, is if this is kind of the dependent one, right? Because this one, it's like it still has more potential to it. But this one, it's saying, oh, okay, like it's the maximum because this one's too small. We'll try this one, and then be like, oh, this one's still. Then we'll try this one, and they're the same. So, let's do a. Down. I don't know which one to choose in this case. Like if they're the same, if they are the same, what do I want to do? Like here they'll both get to be the same, and then what? Like, I don't want to just take off this one, because what if it's like, what if there's like a really big one right here, and the big one in this one is gonna be more than this one and this one. This is gonna give me time to exceed it again. I bet. Cause yeah, it's gonna get stuck here. Yeah. But if I put like just a random equal sign here, and I run, it's gonna give me the right answer. But I don't know if it works in every case. That's what I'm saying. Like if I put it like, hold up, we're gonna edit the test case. If I put like a 25 right here and I run, would it give me the right test case? Damn. What if I put like a 25 and a 27? Damn. Okay, well, I'm still. Does the equal really just work? I don't know if this should work. I'll submit it. I don't know if there's some submissions. Wow. Wow. That actually wasn't as bad as I thought it was. I don't know why the equals here works though. I got accepted though. I don't like. I think this could definitely cause problems though. Let's look at what they put as a solution. Water. Okay, they put so LR equals 0, len heights minus 1, res equals 0. Okay, so we did the same thing. Okay. Well, L is less than R. Res equals max res min heights 1 heights L times. What the actual hell is going on here? And they put a, if heights at L is less than heights at R, L plus equals 1 if heights at R is less than or equal to heights at L. So they just put a random equals here too. Return. So I have no idea what's going on over here, and I don't want to. I got accepted, so that's a big win for me. That's gonna be the NeetCode max water container. It actually wasn't as bad as I thought it was. And I guess tomorrow we're gonna go. One here, and then we'll map. We'll lock in this one here. Tomorrow we'll go chopping rainwater, which is actually, I think it's gonna be the first hard we're doing. Yeah, first hard. And yeah, we'll see how it is tomorrow.